Hi, my name is Ava Gabadpour, and I'll be your instructor for this course. And I just wanted to let you know a little bit about me before we get started. I'm a registered dietitian from the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics. What that lets you know is that I have a bachelor's degree in nutrition, as well I have completed a supervised internship program, as well as taking a board exam, and I take my continual education units that I will throughout the rest of my career to make sure I am up to date with the industry and all the research that goes into nutrition and dietetics. The reason that's so important is it lets you know all the education, the studying, and the information that goes into becoming a registered dietitian versus someone who calls themselves a nutritionist. A nutritionist is someone that is studying nutrition. And technically, since you guys are taking this course, you can call yourself a nutritionist as well. So always be wary and know the facts of what's what, and I want you to be confident in the information that I know. I also have a master's degree in food science, as well as a bachelor's degree in nutrition and food science. After I received my master's degree in food science, I started working in the food industry. In the food industry, I worked as a research and developer. I worked in a test kitchen helping create and develop new food products. I helped create products for brands like Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Target, and World Market, to name a few. I really worked with the dry stuff a lot, so I worked with making brownie mixes, cornbread mixes, coffee cake, you name it, soup starter kits, and worked with the dry stuff a lot. While working there, you realize just how important it is to know what's in your food, because you don't know what's in your food. A lot of developers won't even know what's necessary until they have to make it themselves. And the little industry secret is that a lot of research and developers in the food industry won't even eat the products that they make because they know exactly what's in it. So having worked there, I started realizing just how passionate I am about true nutrition and how valuable it is to know what's in your food. That led me down a path to teaching nutrition. I've had the privilege of being able to teach food science courses at a 4-year university, and over there I truly learned just how much I love teaching other people. Throughout the course of 16 weeks in the semester, if one student learned one thing, I would just get so excited and I would get so much satisfaction from that. As a registered dietitian, I want you to know that I've dealt with many different disease states and different types of clients with different needs, including diabetes, dialysis, weight loss, weight gain, cancer patients, hypertension. That's just to name a few. There are many, many more that I've worked with as well. I've worked with all different age groups, from children, adults, pregnancy, and through the elderly. I believe nutrition is the key to living a long and fulfilling life. I dedicate myself to my clients to help them achieve their personal goals. My goal is to help you reach your goals. So whatever I can do to help you reach your goal is what I will do. And I absolutely love seeing my clients and my patients get where they want to be, and they get so happy and they're so grateful for that. I absolutely love food. I love to cook, and I believe in a sustainable and balanced approach to nutrition and life. I'm not going to tell you you can't ever have a hamburger again, because if I say that, you're going to want it even more. But there is a place in knowing what foods provide to us and how to eat for optimal health. And of course, there's room for the occasional treats here and there as well. I want you to know that you're always able to contact me. I'm always available for my clients and for my patients. I do have my own website at balancedbodiesnutrition.com. And you can contact me with any comments, questions, concerns, suggestions. The email is contact@balancedbodiesnutrition.com. And just a FYI, a lot of the supplemental materials I'll definitely post here, but as well, you can find them at balancedbodiesnutrition.com under supplemental material. So you'll be able to find those in multiple places. I look forward to starting this course with you, and we're going to learn a lot. I'm always available for you to contact me, so feel free to contact me. You can contact me through my website, balancedbodiesnutrition.com, or email me at contact@balancedbodiesnutrition.com. At my website, you'll also be able to find some of the supplemental materials that are listed under Udemy as well, just in case if you need to download them, you can download them from there as well. I look forward to starting this course with you, and right now we're just going to go into the introduction to the course so you can learn just exactly what we're going to go over.